Hi mates. Okay, thanks for tuning in. And today's video, I'm going to share my personal experience on why I had to start talking to the camera. I hadn't really thought about this, but it's something that happened spontaneously. So I personally started up a YouTube channel onto my journey of self-development. YouTube has really boosted my self-confidence and it has really opened up freedom for me. The kind of freedom that I might talk about is self-expression and having a tough skin. You know, some virtual friends or subscribers or my audience, everybody is different, and sometimes they give an opinion. Some opinion can be really be sensitive, but you just have to take it the way it is, because everybody has the right to express themselves, you know. And some of the opinions can be positive and some of them can be negative. So I learned to open up to negative and positive environments or expressions, and those have really helped me grow, you know. YouTube has also helped me improve my social skills, because I communicate or I give a personal reply to each and every person who leaves a comment on my videos. And I don't do it for the algorithms or activity, but it's for my personal benefit. Even with less than 500 subscribers already, I had started seeing a big difference in my life, and I think everybody should open up a YouTube channel and start talking to the camera like how I'm doing right now. I've been invited onto ceremonies as a speaker, sometimes as a motivational speaker, and these are occasions of family friends, you know, those kind of situations, just by them watching my YouTube channel. YouTube has really brought more benefits in my life, more than the disadvantages. The thing is that normally after this video, I'm supposed to recommend a video right up there, but I'll not do that, and that's good for YouTube. But I'm not going to do that onto every end of my video to give a recommendation of what you people should watch next. But the fact is, I'm talking about what YouTube has done for me as a person, being on a journey of self-discovery. Yes, even at my age, I'm still learning. I'm still learning about myself. I'm still discovering about myself. I'm learning a lot. I've worked with people, with children, okay, old and young, but I'm still learning. Learning is a journey. We learn, we are humans. You have to learn on different aspects in your life. It can be communication. You have to embrace criticism. You have to keep working on yourself, because we've not seen or met the same people all over the world. Everybody's different. Everybody communicates and feels different. So when I'm exposed to a new environment now, I understand how I should be really communicating and embracing everybody's culture or integration. Currently, I live in Brussels, and in the beginning, when I had just arrived here, I didn't think of accepting other people's culture, even when I came to this country. And I wasn't a Belgian, I'm still a Ugandan. But deep down, I was in contact with people who didn't embrace or diversify in culture of the Belgian kind of life. And I discovered these people would have so many problems, interpersonal problems and personal problems themselves, because they could not really accept the culture and later on integrate. If you're embracing a new environment, you have to live like them. And the saying goes, if you go to Rome, do what the Romans do. If you go to a place where, for example, they eat dogs, pretend like you're eating dogs too. Sorry, that's Manny's friend, and I'm a dog lover. But the thing is that you just have to embrace the culture, learn the new languages. You won't lose a single bit of your life. So in today's video, I wanted to just open up as to why everybody should start a YouTube channel and start talking to the camera. It's very, very good. It has so many advantages. It's liberating. It helps you on a self-development journey. Your self-confidence will be boosted that high, and your negatives will be just pushed below. Yeah? So the thing is that embrace culture. Be open-minded for learning. Yeah? Learn. It helps. Diversify. You need to embrace other cultures. And life will be very, very easy for you. It will open up so many opportunities. Okay, thanks for watching, and thanks my followers, thanks for subscribing. I love you so much. And the new subscribers, please subscribe and get more motivational and fun videos from me. Thanks, bye.